Hey guys, what's going on? Darragh Addison, torpedopot.com. Guys, I'm growing over 1,000 peppers. I just had to harvest to bring them in because there were so many of them. And I have so much more growing. See, I don't never water my plants or feed my plants. All I do is put them in that planter with that knob right there. And it grows so much food that I don't know what to do with myself. This is my garden. I never water or feed these plants. Thousands of carrots, hundreds of tomatoes. You can grow hundreds of pounds of radish, collard greens, and cabbage, and 35 eggplants in just, wow, 24 inches. So we got another harvest of peppers coming out of here, but what I want to do today is to take a look at these peppers, and they don't look ready right now. They still look very young and tender, and so I'm not going to mess with them. You see they're going to deliver an awful lot of peppers. We expect this to do extremely well. And so we should get thousands of peppers, whatever we choose to. But today, I'm just coming out and I want to harvest my peppers, so I've got to pick them. And look how beautiful they are. The colors are so vibrant, aren't they? Man, my torpedo pot grows my food with no human intervention. I never have to water or feed my plants to get in my